What happens in the brain during tense moments? What separates those who freeze from those who act? Heroism isn't just willpower, it's a neurological response, a complex interplay of brain functions that override our most basic survival instincts. The amygdala, the brain's alarm system, constantly scans for threats, triggering the well-known fight-or-flight response when danger is detected. For most, this means panic, a surge of adrenaline that clouds judgment and impairs decision-making, or paralysis, a complete shutdown of the system, leaving them unable to react. But in Heroes, studies show the amygdala's response is dampened, its signal less intense, less overwhelming. Their brains regulate fear, modulating the amygdala's output and preventing it from hijacking the entire system, letting rational thinking take over, allowing the prefrontal cortex, the brain's center for reasoning and planning, to maintain control. Instead of panic, their brains send a controlled warning, a measured assessment of the risk, allowing them to act decisively, to make quick, calculated decisions under immense pressure. This ability to manage fear is the first step from paralysis to courage, the crucial difference between inaction and bravery. It's how ordinary people perform extraordinary acts under pressure, transforming from bystanders into heroes in the blink of an eye. The prefrontal cortex, located at the very front of our brains, is the brain's command center. It's the area responsible for higher-level cognitive functions. It's crucial for making decisions, especially those that need to be made rapidly and under pressure. It also plays a vital role in keeping us focused, filtering out distractions, and maintaining our attention on the task at hand. In Heroes and those who perform under pressure, this region is significantly strengthened. This strengthening occurs through relentless training, pushing the limits of mental endurance. This builds strong connections to the amygdala, the brain's emotional center, allowing for better emotional regulation. Repeated drills create mental muscle memory, hardwiring responses into the brain. This ensures the brain can stay calm, think clearly, and act quickly and decisively, even in the midst of chaos. Training helps filter out distractions, improving concentration and focus. This reduces cognitive overload, allowing for more efficient processing of information, ultimately sharpening focus and enhancing cognitive performance. For first responders and others in high-pressure roles, complex decisions become automatic, a result of this training. This allows them to perform effectively, even under extreme stress. This isn't just innate talent, it's neuroplasticity at work, the brain's ability to adapt and change. It's physically reshaping the brain, creating new neural pathways and strengthening existing ones. The result? Clear-headed action, decisive thinking, and effective responses when it matters most. Heroic calm is a skill, not an inherent trait. It's built through consistent practice, dedicated preparation, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Heroism is powered by a surge of neurochemicals. Adrenaline boosts strength and awareness, while serotonin keeps emotions steady. Dopamine fuels motivation, driving heroes to push through pain and exhaustion. This chemical balance turns fear into focused action. But repeated exposure to this stress cocktail can lead to burnout and trauma. That's why recovery and support are vital for those on the front lines. The same chemicals that enable heroism can also leave scars if not managed. Understanding this helps us care for our heroes beyond the moment of crisis. Their brains pay a price for their courage. The science of heroism isn't just for first responders, those brave individuals who rush into danger. It's not solely the domain of the military, police, firefighters, or paramedics. It's a blueprint for resilience, a guide to navigating the everyday challenges that life throws our way. Mindfulness and controlled breathing are powerful tools. Train your brain to manage stress, learn to regulate your emotional responses. Just like a hero's drills, these practices build mental fortitude. Gradual exposure to challenges, facing your fears in small, manageable steps, builds mental strength and reduces overwhelm, allowing you to stay calm and focused under pressure. Social support is crucial. It's the bedrock of resilience. Heroes rely on their teams. They understand the power of collaboration. And we all need connection to thrive. It's a fundamental human need. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's not about being fearless, but action in spite of it, moving forward even when you're scared. By training our minds, developing our cognitive abilities, and building strong networks, fostering meaningful relationships, we can all face challenges with greater calm and resilience. We may not run into burning buildings that may not be our calling, but we can be heroes in our own lives, in our own unique ways. The heroic brain is within reach for all of us, waiting to be unlocked.